Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya State Planning Board shen kan sa IT ya ka Jingmut sya ka Sorkar Jylla ban weng ya ka Jingdheng kali ka ba pinso sadbha ya ka let kawan ki kali hasor Shillong. U chairman jong ka board u ba medba lingdo ha ka jingkran bat kilat patai khubor ha ka khat pratarik u jalew arajar arpsan u laithu ba ka board kala examine ya baro kimat bat ki kam bala le de kitanat trekam ba pher ki bala long shibenta na kilat kilenti ban weng ya ka Jingdheng kali ha nongba Shillong.
On 2-3 meetings, and the planning board is examining all the points and all the actions taken by the different departments who are part and parcel of the solution as far as the traffic congestion solving issues. The board will definitely come out with some kind of a suggestion, and we're going to place it with the government for further consideration so that the same also can be implemented in the Shillong city.
By when?
Sorry?
By when?
This exercise is on. We will try to close it as early as possible.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.